Good morning, class 7. I think everybody is fine and safe at home. And last week you have gone through your second half yearly examination, and I think everybody has done their best. And whatever questions has been given to you, you have understood very well and written very well in your answer sheets, and neatly, because neatness is very important in examinations. So I think so everybody has written very neatly and to the point. And one thing more, there was number system also, so revisions were also gone to you. Revisions मैंने दिया था आपको, so that you should understand and practice number system very well, and should have doesn't face any problem to solve it. And I think so you have not faced any problem in solving the number system, because the questions were very easy and it was easily solved. So I think you have done very well in your examinations. Let's see, let's hope for the best. Okay. And it will be very matter if you write it neatly. Then neatness is in this examination, neatness will matter most, because how you have written, it is very important. To the point, if you have written the to the point to the questions, whatever questions has been given, then it will be very easy to understand what you have written according to the questions. Okay, moving towards the chapter, moving towards our chapter, that is database. Okay, this is the 6th chapter of your subject, second last chapter. Okay, so we are starting with database. Database. Okay, what is database? Data means raw facts and figure. Raw facts and figure means data जो हम instructions देते हैं, like 2 and 2, these are the two numbers, only दो number ही है, and when we give only those two numbers, then it is doesn't means any value. Okay, this doesn't having any meaning. Okay, but when we do the plus, when we give the instruction is plus, do the addition of that, then it will add it. It is a process, and after process it gives you the meaningful information. That is the answer of that. That is 4. 4 is the meaningful information. So data is the raw facts, which is the instruction, the instruction which is given to the computer to do the work. Okay, clear? The instructions, like when we tell you study, okay, study the chapter, this is the instructions. And process, when you study it, and you when the question is asked to you, give the answer, that is the information, that is the meaningful information. Okay, so the instruction, the what we have given you, that what you have to study this chapter. Okay, clear? So next is DBMS, database management system. The full form of DBMS is database management system. Database management system means the informations, the instructions what you are giving. Database, base means the instruction should have their value. If the instruction doesn't have any value, it will not give you the informations, meaningful information. But if you give the value of the instructions, then it will give you the meaningful information. अगर instructions में कोई important कुछ मतलब instruction कुछ valuable नहीं है, तो आपके पास meaningful information नहीं आएगा. लेकिन अगर आप information valuable देते हैं, तो आपके पास information भी मतलब आप अगर instructions valuable देते हैं, तो आपके पास informations भी meaningful आएगा. ठीक है? And the database management system means how you manage your data. Whatever instructions you are giving, how you are giving that instructions, किस तरह से आप अपने instructions को दे रहे हैं, किस way में दे रहे हैं, in the systematic way. For example, like when you enter your classroom, how you see your classroom? It is arranged, everything is in its place. Okay, you can get it, and you can get the things very easily, like your desks and bench are arranged in a proper order so that you can sit properly. Okay, cupboards are there to keep the things properly. Yes, so it is a systematic way. At home also, your mother keep your things very well, okay, so that it is easy to find out. अगर वो चीज सामान वहां नहीं रहेगा, अगर मैशअप रहेगा, means like in the classroom the tables and desks are not arranged properly, then what happens? It is very difficult to sit. आपको arrange करना पड़ेगा, तब आप बैठ पाएंगे, because it is very difficult. Without arranging you can't sit. एग्जामिनेशन में भी अगर डेस्क एंड टेबल अरेंज नहीं रहेगा रोल नंबर वाइज, अगर रोल नंबर वाइज में डेस्क नहीं, कभी कभी क्या होता है क्लास में जाते हैं रोल नंबर वाइज बैठाया जाता है, लेकिन कभी कभी दो टेबल कम पड़ जाते हैं तो आपको वेट करना पड़ता है, तो दैट मेक्स अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, लेकिन अगर डेस्क बेंच काउंटिंग है, आप अकॉर्डिंग टू द रोल नंबर है आप बैठ जाते हो, तो दैट इज अ सिस्टमैटिक वे. घर में भी, एट होम ऑल्सो, व्हेन द थिंग्स आर ऑन देयर प्लेसेस देन इट इज वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाँ ये सामान यहाँ रखा हुआ है, तो वी जस्ट गो देयर एंड वी टेक दैट थिंग्स. ओके, बट अगर वो सामान वहाँ नहीं है तो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड आउट द थिंग्स. बहुत खोजने के बाद उस सामान को मिलता है. हाँ, तो if the things are there in the place it is very easy to find out, but the things if the things are not on their places it is very difficult to find out where the things are. ओके, कभी क्योंकि हम कभी कभी सामान रख के भूल जाते हैं कि हम सामान कहाँ रखे हैं, लेकिन अगर वो प्रॉपर प्लेस में रहेगा तो हमें याद रहता है कि हाँ ये सामान यहाँ पे है. लाइक इन द किचन में आपकी मम्मा सारा सामान बहुत सही तरीके से रखती है ना. तो मसाले कहाँ रहेंगे, बर्तन कहाँ रहेंगे, तो अगर कोई भी सामान आपको चाहिए होता है तो आप बहुत आसानी से आपको किचन में मिल जाता है, क्योंकि आपकी मदर ने उस सामान को बहुत सही तरीके से उस चीज को रखा हुआ है. तो सामान को ढूंढने में आपको परेशानी नहीं होती है. So that is the way, that is called the database management system, that how you manage the things. Okay, how you manage the thing. If the things are not in their proper place then it is very difficult to find out, but the things, if the things are in the proper place then it is very easy to find out the things. Like in the classroom, if the desks and benches are arranged it is easy to sit there, but if the desks and bench are not arranged properly then it is very difficult to find out where to sit. Okay, so database management system does the same. It arranges the data in order so that one can use the information easily, whatever, whenever required. Database भी एक ऐसा ही है जो हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन को इस तरह से रखता है ताकि जब भी हमें मौका मिले तब हमें वो चीज आसानी से मिल सके. That the things we get easily. Okay, so what is a database? Every organization has their informations, okay, have their records. For example, the school maintains their records of their students, teachers, staffs, everywhere. Okay, so similarly a company will have their records of their employees, okay, like their name, age, salary and date of birth. So this data needs to be maintained in such a manner that it can easily be available to the person who required it. एक स्कूल में हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन आपका सही से रहता है एक प्रॉपर फाइल में, एक प्रॉपर फोल्डर में. तो उसी फोल्डर और फाइल को जब इकट्ठा करते हैं तो वो एक डेटाबेस बनता है. लेकिन आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन होता है तो आप उसे तुरंत खोज सकते हैं. आप जाते हैं, आप कुछ भी बोलते हैं, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप किसके बारे में सर्च करना चाहते हैं. अब जब ऑफिस में जाते हैं, आप इस चीज़ के बारे में पूछते हैं तो आपके पास तुरंत वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आ जाता है. क्योंकि that information has been saved properly so that if you required you get the information on the time. Clear? The database is simply an organized collection of data that is organized in such a way that any particular information can be accessed easily. Means information को इस तरह से रखा जाता है ताकि जब भी उसकी जरूरत हो we can get it easily. Okay, so what is database management system? DBMS is used for creating, modifying and deleting or adding data in a database. create करते हैं हम, modifying उसमें कुछ implement करते हैं, deleting अगर कोई information ज़्यादा है, ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसको हम delete भी कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई adding, जब कुछ चीज़ को और add करना है तो हम उसमें add भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so it can be created, it can be modified, it can be deleted, it can be added. Okay, in a database, DBMS. Okay, the software that performs this action is known as DBMS software. MS Access is a part of MS Office. This is the most important database software which we use to create any database. Management system which saves a large amount of information just in one file. Can store large amount of information in one file. Who? MS Access, the most important database software. Clear? Informations like can give an example of your database. One example we can give that your attendance register. In attendance register, what happens? Every day teachers take your attendance. It marks your present and absent. It means every month your present and absent is marked and counted, and it is moved to the next month. Like this it goes, and at the end you get your proper attendance, total attendance of your whole session. Your whole session information, you get it. Yes. So this is the biggest example where you get the presence and how many days you were present in the school and how many days you were absent in the school, the total present in the school. So this is the biggest example of database, the attendance register. So today we stop here. Go through this video very well, understand it, read the chapter properly, and girls, if you have any problem in that, please comment on the comment box. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.